So here's how to get Roblox QR code to share it with your friends. So first of all, you need to go with the Roblox application, open this up. And then from here, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top right corner, or you can left corner. You can tap on anywhere onto the top. Simply tap on these profile icon, and then from here, you will probably see this QR code option. Simply tap on the QR code, and there you go. So there is the profile. So you can simply share profile link from here, or you can take the screenshot. Alright, so you can take the screenshot and send it to your friend. So that's how you can simply get Roblox QR code on your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.